Do you guys recognize that riff? If you do, you're either my age or you're in a humongous truck with a humongous can of Monster Energy drink. This is Real Slim Shady by Eminem, and we're gonna learn it today. Starts in C minor, or it is in C minor. Starts with this C minor arpeggio, ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string. You're gonna bar the 8th fret with your first finger. It'll sound like this. And then you're gonna take your middle finger and put it on the 9th fret of B, and then first finger back on the 8th fret of high E. So far we've got, and then 9 to 8 on B, and then 9 again, hammer on pull off, 10 on G, and then 8 on the B string again. So that's, and then 9 on D, little harmonic minor action there, all together. Cool. If you want to learn the bass line for that, we're just walking up a C natural minor scale. So we've got C, 3rd fret on the A string, and then 5, 6, 8, 8, 6, 6, 5, and then that's 5 on D to take us back to our 3rd fret on the A string, C. So all together, bass line sounds like this. You know, let's see if this works. That's a little looper. And then you can do something like this. The neighbors will surely get a kick out of that one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what other Eminem songs you'd like to hear on the guitar. And be sure to subscribe. We got more content coming your way. We'll see you soon.